Hey everybody, it's your girl Urban Farm Sister. So we're on day 3 of the self-sufficiency challenge. So today we're going to talk about some supplies and some equipment that you're going to need so that you have a good start for your seeds that you prepare to sprout. So first of all, I would recommend that you purchase a seedling heat mat. The price can vary with these. Some of them are inexpensive, some of them can get very expensive. This particular one, but it actually has a thermostat on it, so you can actually set the temperature to what you want it to be. There are some that do not have that, and so they're a lot less expensive. But I like this one because you can set the temperature, especially if you're trying to sprout seeds that, you know, require a warm environment so that they can sprout within a short period of time. And so you can set that between, I believe it's 70 and 85 degrees that this mat goes up to. So I would suggest you purchase a seed tray, and then along with the seed tray, I suggest that you purchase the inserts. So inserts, they come in different numbers. So I would recommend that if you have plants that you're gonna have to germinate and sprout, and they're gonna have to have at least 8 to 10 weeks of growing indoors before you transplant them outside, is that you automatically put them in a larger container starting out. So you just plant those seeds into this larger container so you don't have to keep transplanting. I would also suggest that you purchase a humidity dome. So this is an inexpensive humidity dome. You can buy these usually at your local hardware stores or your local retail stores that sell seeds and a lot of gardening equipment. I would suggest that you purchase one of these because that's going to be very important for when it comes to sprouting and your seeds. You're going to have humidity build up around in that environment that they're in, and this will allow to keep that humidity inside of there. So like I said, this is a little inexpensive one. This was an inexpensive one. This was a more expensive one. I like this one better, but again, it is a lot more expensive. But it has these little shutter things that you can open and close, and you can allow humidity out, or you can close them off and allow humidity to stay inside of there. But again, you need to have some type of humidity dome. If you don't want to purchase either one of these, I would suggest a large clear plastic bag to put over top of the tray so that your seedlings can have that humidity form that they need, so that helps them with germination and sprouting. Then I suggest you purchase soil. My recommended soil is ProMix. This is a grow light. Grow lights can be very expensive. I would suggest, if you can't purchase a grow light, to purchase a shop light. It's better to purchase fluorescent lights, but fluorescent lights are becoming obsolete. Actually, fluorescent bulbs have been pretty much been outlawed because of the mercuries inside of them. They're trying to phase them out. So it may be hard to find fluorescent bulbs, but it's best to sprout plants under fluorescent light. T5, T8 being the lowest. But T5, high output T5 lights like this particular grow light are ideal for sprouting and growing plants under. There are some LED lights that they sell now, but LEDs, especially when it comes to the sprouting stage of your plants, LEDs just don't penetrate the soil with enough heat and IR rays and things like that the seeds need to sprout, and as a result, your seeds may not ever sprout under the LED lights, or they may sprout but they'll be very weak. So if you can get access to a fluorescent light or a real fluorescent grow light, I would suggest that you sprout your seeds under that light. And if you don't have access to either one of those, you don't have access to a grow light, a shop light that's fluorescent, but you have access to a south-facing window in your home or your apartment, and it gets at least 6 hours of sun a day, I would suggest you put the seedling tray in front of that window so that they can get that particular sunlight. So if you have any questions, you can direct message me, or you can send me an email at nadiaruffin@agracademyinc.org. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.